What we're going to do now on the video is we're going to move on to a feature which is relatively new for Powered Now, and it's our forms and certificates. So if I hop back to the dashboard, you can see we have this section at the bottom called Forms and Certificates. So what is a form or certificate? Well, maybe you're a gas engineer or a plumber or an electrician or a pest controller. Where if you create documentation which is important for your job, it's probably a form or a certificate. I mentioned gas engineers. We have things like CP12s. For electricians, we have domestic installation certificates. We have all sorts of things. At the time of this demo, we have about 30 certificates in Powered Now. We're adding to them all the time. If there's something which we don't have, please just let us know. I think we're adding about two a month at the moment. So let me show you what we do have. If we hop into the settings, you'll see there's a section called Forms and Certificates. If you choose that, we have a tab called Available Forms and Certificates. So there's things for the gas industry, oil and plumbing, electrical, hazardous waste. We have general forms, Legionella, fire alarms, pest control. And by the time you probably view this video, there'd be more than we have here. So I currently have everything turned on, and we're going to go and create one.